Alright, so today I'm going to be releasing my Supreme Alerts bot. The source code, well, some of it. This is a Node.js based bot. It reminds you to check your walls and has some other cool commands and embeds to help you out. So, first off, you want to create a folder on your desktop. I'm just going to call this one wall check. But these node modules will be in here for you. And this is the actual bot, and this is just a run command. As you can see. So it has the title of the actual CMD. And the directory of where the bot is. So mine's on my desktop in a folder called wall check, so that's what yours is gonna look like. And then this is what's running the bot. So you have node, which runs the bot.js file, which is inside your file. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna kinda, you can copy and paste this from the Hastebin in the description. Or whatever I decide to link it as, I'm not sure yet. First off, what you want to know is anything with the question mark key without hitting shift, that key, that's considered a comment. So anything see how it's green means it's a comment in JavaScript. So I kind of labeled this out here so you understand what, kind of break it apart. I did this because in my bot it looks a lot different than this because I know JavaScript and know what I'm doing. I'm very fluent in the language. So I broke it down and made it all cut off and divided. So if you get something wrong inside one of these, it won't screw up the whole thing. This isn't the most efficient code right here. This is just, again, it's the dumbed down version, I guess, because, I mean, coding is a different language, so. Yeah, we have, this is the set game. See if I can pull this up, what it looks like. Yeah, see how Anthony has playing that? Yeah, that's, well, this is gonna say teentaggers.com and a little divide key and how many servers the bot is in. And this is our notify channel. This is your big thing right here, notify channel. This is where all the notifications will be sent to. So inside our Discord server, I created the new one. You're gonna want to create a text channel called wall check, of course. Text channel, create channel. Alright, so this is where all of our alerts will be sent to. And see, so when it joins your guild, this is basically default. If you join this bot into several guilds, it will not work. This is specifically for one guild. And wall check, this is the channel. It just finds those channels. And so this is a variable. See, I labeled this as a variable, and I define the variable on the login. And now, if you go down here, you'll see notify channel.send message. So this again notifies the channel by sending the message. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, I use notify channel a lot here. It's the most used variable in this entire thing. Let's see. I'm missing. Okay, this is the time of how long your alert is going to take. So when you do dot checked, 10 seconds later it's going to do at here, it's going to do this right here. This is our set interval. Set interval is a really cool function in JavaScript. I like it a lot. I labeled out, see, these are comments. This right here, I think that's 1,200,000 is 20 minutes, 900,000, 15. Yeah, and then I labeled or linked the time calculator I used. So 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second. So you can kind of do your own math there. This right here sends 5 messages of at everyone being rated. There's way more efficient way to do this, but again, I just wanted to dumb it down. You see it does the text to speech, so you'll hear the default Discord bot talking kind of like in TeamSpeak when you mute your mic and it says microphone and has it muted, that type of thing. Here's our .walls embed. So if message.content prefix, so you see prefix, I defined prefix as dot. So you can change this prefix, whatever you want. See, some people in their code, I could have just completely erased this prefix and just put .help right there. But again, if you wanted to change your prefix, you'd have to go back through every command and change it. So yeah, I just defined it as the dot appear as a variable. So yeah, prefix plus walls, this is an embed. And if it has a last sender, meaning, because if you read some of this, if somebody hasn't done dot checked, but somebody does dot walls, it'll crash the bot because it can't read any of this. Because if you notice, all that last sender is defined in the dot checked. Where is it? See, last sender and the last time. Those are defined when somebody does dot checked, which is what you need, because how are you going to find the last sender? Well, I don't have to explain all this, but yeah. Right now, it's set for 15 minutes. This is the time until reminder. I notice I have mine set for 15. This is the math that it does to tell you how long until your reminder. So yeah, if you're going to change yours to 30 minutes, you're going to change this 15 right here, and you're going to change this number right here. And 30 minutes is 1,800,000. So you copy that number, just paste it right there in between the comma and the parenthesis. I set up a dot help, so it's going to give you like a little embed, and you click the title of the embed. And I'm going to change this link to the YouTube video this video is being recorded on. Yeah, the login, client login, I guess we'll go and create an ID now. Alright, so look at this link. Developers applications me. So I'm going to create a new application and call this wall check bot. Doesn't matter. Create app. Alright, great. I'm going to create the bot user. Just do that. Alright. So, client ID. You're going to need to know that. So, save that for later. Username, token. Don't share this token with anybody, or they can log in as your bot. This is a mixture of a username and password that Discord just generates for you. And it's easier to use than the old Discord login. So, copy this token. Don't show it to anybody. There's no reason for anybody to have that token. There's no reason. Yeah. Alright, I pasted my token in here, which is my login. And client ID. Yeah, now we're going to copy this so we can invite it to our server. Alright, so I'm just going to give it administrator. And which I recommend you give it administrator. You can check all these if you want to, but again, this is like the overall. Alright, so here, it kind of gives you your link. And this is the, and it inserts your client ID with the permissions that it has. So we'll click this, and we're adding the wall check bot to, what is this? I think I'd put, no, it's wall check. And permission, administrator. So, yeah, we'll add that. Not a robot. Please let me do a CAPTCHA. Thank you. Alright, so now let's pull up Discord. Alright, cool. Our wall check bot is in the server. So now let's load up the bot. Alright, so head over to our wall check folder, and again, this is our run bot command. You can either use mine, or you can do it manually, which is not fun, because you have to type it in every single time. So, cd desktop. So now we're at our desktop in the command prompt, and cd, what is it, wall check. Alright, cool, and then node.bot.js. And it should give us our cool little login message, which is right. See, I have this as, where is it? Come on. Console.log. Successfully logged in as wall check bot. Cool. Okay. Alright, so. What? I didn't save it. I'm so stupid. I'm honestly the stupidest person ever. Cannot read property of send message of null. Oh, that's okay. That happened because I had this as 10 seconds and I didn't do dot check before the 10 seconds was up. Let me just save this to make sure I didn't. Alright. Let's put this back as... No, we'll leave it as 10, we'll be fast. Alright, so we'll use this. Alright, we're logged in. And checked. Alright, we got it in time. And now we can do our dot walls. Alright, now we'll go over here and see. Look, see, I can spam all I want in this channel, but it won't reply to me. But it's replying in this channel. So, weewoo. And again, it puts it in this channel for me. I didn't. This is default 15 minutes, but again, you can change it. Time was last checked 9 seconds
Wall
ago.
check bot said at here nobody has checked walls in 15 minutes.
See, that was about
Wall
10
check
seconds.
bot said at here nobody has checked walls in 15 minutes.
That is really annoying. But yeah, you kind of get the deal. Notice it's in one server. If it ever goes up, you should change your client ID immediately. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to this and exit out. Yep. So I'm gonna go back over here. So I didn't do .help, man. Okay, well let's change this back to 15 minutes is what I've always had. We'll copy that and we'll go here. Save it. Let's log in as wall check bot. Cool. So .help. Why did not respond to me? Did .help in here? I didn't finish it. I didn't send the embed. Didn't finish coding it. Okay. That's alright. Oh no. Alright, so again, we're going to use our notify spell. Let's send message. We're sending the embed. Send embed code. Alright, this should work fine. Saved it. Checked. Walls. Help. Alright, see, there we go. Okay, I didn't define it. I can change it. Click for help. This will be a link to the video that you're watching right now. And you can rewatch it if something's not right. I might change this when I post it to something. I don't know. Yeah, weewoo. This is not going to be fun for your ears, but here you go.
Wall check bot said at everyone being rated from east side. Wall check bot said at everyone being rated from east side. Wall check bot said at everyone being rated from east side. Wall check bot said at everyone being rated from east side. Wall check bot said at everyone being rated from east side.
Okay. Yeah, you kind of get the deal. This is, again, for east, south, west, north, all of them. As you see, southwest, north, east. Yeah, that's basically it. If anything goes wrong, feel free to leave a comment. I'll most likely respond to them, and make sure you post your error and a haste bin of your code, and I'll probably fix it for you. Maybe. Please try not to ask the stupidest questions, like you can't copy and paste what I sent you. It won't work. Like, you have to watch the video and actually do the tutorial. Probably should have said at the start of this video. Oh yeah, set color, set timestamp. OX is you're telling Discord.js that you're using a hex, and notice FF40 is red. Where is it? In Discord, you see it's red, and notice this is a timestamp at the bottom. That's because I added set timestamp, and that sets the timestamp for the computer you're looking at it on. Right now, for me, it is 12:18 a.m. This is when it was sent. For everybody else, it'll do their time that it says on their computer. So none of that translation of, what is it, Eastern Standard to Pacific, whatever, none of that stuff. But yeah. Again, if you want to change your prefix from something else, like, if you'll do that, I don't know, I much prefer dot. Yeah. Really, this bot and Fredboat bot go really well together, because this one doesn't have music, and Fredboat does. So yeah, those are a good pair of bots if you ever want to use them. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I guess this video does well, I'll probably release some more code, I guess. Maybe some APIs. I don't know. Peace.